tell someone, but secrets are hard to keep. I'm half dead asleep, it's the cousin of death. They say it's 10:30 and down, slip away. My dreams are so big, afraid to go to sleep. I would tell someone, but secrets are hard to keep. I'm half dead asleep, it's the cousin of death. They say it's 10:30, I'm down, it's time to slip away. But death I realize, so sleep secure. I stand on the edge, but I check my watch to be sure. Seems time is right, time to make the jump. I fall,